Today we're going to build a rolling miter. Today we're going to build a rolling miter saw stand from a trashed out barbecue cart.
They're partners pursuing paranormal. Adam Scott, Craig Robinson, Ghosted, October 1st on Fox. New Max Boost from 60 Smart Bed. It senses your every move and automatically adjusts on both sides to keep you effortlessly comfortable. And snoring? Does your bed do that? The new 360 Smart Bed is part of our... bodyguards. Stolzen. Answer it. Hello?
Fred Dodson, where are you?
I'm in a business meeting. Is there anything wrong?
Brian Mills removed your sticker. Right now.
Oh my God.
If he finds out you're not in Malibu, he'll be headed right here. I'd say we
It's enough time for me. Can you handle this, Kim?
What do I have to do?
Cops on the move.
Okay, let's go. You do exactly as you were told. Don't improvise. Try anything funny, and they'll kill you. And if you don't, I will.
Or go where summer takes you in the exhilarating and hurry. It's the final days of the Lincoln Summer Invitation Sales Event, ending September 5th. Get 0% APR plus $1,000 summer savings on the Lincoln MK.
This morning, I'm afraid I have some terrible news. You have bug eyes.
Okay, so this is what I have so far. I've got the platform that the saw is going to sit on, and I have these two wing extensions. They're just a few pieces of plywood laminated together. I have a little lip here that rests on the barbecue pit handles, the metal handles. I'm going to secure these with some self-tapping metal screws. That way I'm just going to drill some pilot holes, and then it's going to secure itself through the handle. I have a temporary backer board to keep everything in line, but I will be putting a fence similar to this on the back. It's going to line up with a fence on the miter saw. Alright, so let's go. So the wing extension is a little heavy for these dinky little support arms. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pre-drill some holes into the box and put some self-tapping screws into this handle. See, right now it kind of wobbles a lot. So we're going to sink these in through here, hopefully secure everything up square to the box. Okay, here it is, all finished. I've got a nice strong platform for this to sit on, and I screwed the saw to the platform. Has some nice beefy wings here with a backup fence that's in line with the saw's fence. I secured it to this frame so that it's nice and square and everything's square to the box. When I was moving it around, it was still a little wobbly, so I ended up putting a shelf at the bottom and secured it with those self-tapping metal screws. And I think it's pretty good now. These aren't the best wheels in the world, but it's nice and it rolls around. So I think it's going to be good for when I need to wheel it outside because I don't have dust collection in my shop. So, thanks for watching. This was a pretty quick and easy build, and if you have one of these barbecue stands laying around, don't throw it away, repurpose it. Alright, thanks, bye.